Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 9. We're going to be done with this class in about 6 weeks. I cannot believe it. I hope everybody's doing well. Hope you've had a fall break to get some rest. Please stay in contact with me if you're having any issues with the work or just in general that I can maybe help you with. Just let me know what's going on with you as we continue throughout this semester. So let's look at week 9 and look at what we have going on this week. So you have a folder here that you might want to get into. It's going to be talking about graduation and the praxis. So the graduation is not really updated just yet. We'll have to check in with the registrar, go to the website to see that information. But do be thinking about the praxis if you want this added to your teaching certificate, this degree added to your teaching certificate. Continue working on your lit review and creating your TED Ed advocacy project. Your lit review, you've been turning in references to me, which means you've been doing your research, which means I hope that you've been filling in an outline for that lit review. And with your TED Ed, most of you are using the same research and starting to think about what that looks like as far as an advocacy side. Remember, your TED Ed can be one-sided, but remember your lit review must be non-biased. So you really have to look at all the literature and make sure that you are talking about all of the things about that topic, not just what you agree with. This week's readings are chapters 7 and 8 in Teacherpreneurs, The Power of Teacher Leaders, chapter 13, the National Board for Professional Teacher Standard documents linked on the page, and then continue to read over your resume so that you can make revisions. And actually, this should be week 13. The week was changed. Week 14 would be fine as well. I'm not real picky about that as long as it gets done. Let's look at National Board Certification. I know a couple of you have mentioned that you may want to get National Board Certification. Some of you are nationally board certified. I'm just going to tell you that a great time to do that, if you haven't, is right after finishing up a master's course, because you are in the mode of writing, you're in the mode of research, you're very familiar with the teacher standards. So if you haven't done it and you're thinking about it, think about it. I know you're tired of school. I know you want to rest. I would take a little bit of time off, but not too much. And then, of course, there's a great pay raise included in that. I know that's not why we do a lot of things that we do, but if we can show off our teaching talents, learn about our teaching talents, learn more about reflection, and get a little extra pay, it's pretty awesome. You're going to submit 4 more of your sources for your lit review. And again, that's just links to those sources or the first page of that source, just so I can make sure that it's a peer-reviewed article. And you'll just download those, or give me the links, give me the actual links in your discussion board. You have Clinical Experience Log 3 to turn in this week as well. Again, that can just be a continuation of your chart, and you just add to the bottom. You can give me a whole new chart. It doesn't matter, but at the end of the semester, when you go into TaskStream, you're going to need to upload this. So it really is much easier to upload in one document. So if you've done a whole bunch of different documents, I would put them all together at the end. It doesn't matter to me which way you do it right now, as long as it's labeled Clinical Experience Log 3. So please make sure you're getting that in. So as far as assignments, it's pretty easy week, I hope. Hope that gives you time to do your reading and your research for your TED Ed and your lit review. Please reach out to me if you're having questions or issues or problems. I really want to work with you. I want you to be successful. I want this to be a good experience for you. So if you have anything that you need to go over with me, please let me know. I'll be more than glad to talk to you. You can call me, text me, email me. You've got my numbers to get a hold of me. So other than that, I hope that you're having fabulous week. The weather is absolutely beautiful here. It couldn't be any prettier. It's actually a really nice fall. So I hope you're getting some of that, some vitamin D, and just taking some time for yourself. Take some time to reflect, to renew, to rest, and make sure that you're taking care of you. So again, I appreciate all that you do. I appreciate your hard work. I hope you have a great week, and I will talk to you soon.